come to the games from the districts.
And BJP leader A.L. Haq has mocked the Congress's Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. It may be mentioned that Congress is planning to start its Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra from Imphal later this month, and the Yatra will continue till Mumbai. Haq also criticized Congress for boycotting the inauguration of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, saying inauguration of temples, mosques and churches is a normal thing and there is nothing wrong in it. He accused the Congress of playing politics by not attending the inaugural function of Ram Mandir.
Yatra or Purana Jodo Yatra, but should not be making letra. There's nothing to affect to BJP. BJP is going to win in all the seats in MP elections.
We will now take a short break.